So what is your opinion on insulation? Should I go closed cell foam? If so, how thick? So on and so forth. Can you guys elaborate a little bit on that?
Yeah, I think that I really do not recommend like stick construction for grow rooms, even though it is cheaper. Yeah, that goes by many names, but yeah, closed cell foam, like with the metal sandwiched on either side, and I usually spec at least, at least R16, I'd say is the standard for how insulative it is. And that kind of goes to what I was saying before, because you're going to be net heating in Michigan many months of the year, even in an indoor cultivation, even strictly indoor in a warehouse type of situation with rooms inside there, you'll still be net heating. So yeah, spend extra money on insulation for sure. Yeah. I always recommend putting a room, having all the separate rooms have ceilings on them, and ceilings and being rooms within rooms, so you take advantage of the insulative value of just the airspace within the facility. And sometimes, depending, I don't like to have like trusses if I can avoid it, from like that have to do with the building exterior inside. And the reason is that they can actually drip. They can drip from water from there, because water can condense on them. From when the temperature of the steel is below the dew point in the room, causing all sorts of PM and other issues.
But Jorge, did you have more questions on whether you're considering HPS versus LED for your grow? Did we provide you with some good kind of insights on what might make LED worth it?
Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely now reconsidering. I mean, I was literally about to pull the trigger on 60 HPS like tomorrow. so now I have to go back to my team now, and we're gonna have to revisit this, and maybe, I mean, I have to find out. Listen,
we're here to help you as much as we can.
No, and I appreciate it. Listen, the only reason I came back home was I just got married, and my wife would kill me if I didn't come home, because it's my birthday tomorrow. But Friday I'm flying back to Detroit, so we're getting back at it. But no, I appreciate you all, and all the insight that you guys have provided, and I would love to be able to reach out, or whatever the case is, so we can.
Yeah, is Lake County in your territory, Rachel? Is that correct? Okay, so
you said Baldwin, right?
Yeah, I just purchased a house in Baldwin. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So Baldwin is in Consumers Energy territory. So depending on the kind of LED that you would buy, we could very possibly receive an incentive for it.
Okay.
So yeah, please email me or call me, and we can set up a time to discuss like what your possible incentive could be, depending on what it is exactly you're trying to install.